Kia ora, my name is Paora.
Kia ora, my name is Mikaere.
And we are going to teach you the letters in the Māori language. We have the vowel letters A, E, I, O, U. Then the consonants H, K, M, N, P, R, T, W. And what they call a digraph, two letters making one sound, W, H, N, G. So we teach the children the letters, we do it in a waiata form. Starting with the first vowel letter A. Ahaka mana para tawanga wha e. Heke mene pere te wingi whe I. Heke mene pere te wingi whi o. Hoko mono poro tawanga wha. A, E, I, O, U, U. Huku mana pere te wingi whu. Blah.